My name is Advay Agarwal and this is lesson 7 how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In lesson 6, we have learned how to solve the yellow face. So in lesson 7, we will learn how to solve the whole cube. So we will flip the cube upside down if the white face is on the top. Now, as you can see, the bottom layer has become the top layer. This top layer is also called the layer after the yellow face. So we will divide this thing into two parts. How to solve it? So let's see. Okay, first thing, after you have done a yellow face completely, you should be able to see matching corners. If you don't, follow an algorithm that I am going to tell you now. That is R-I, F-I, R-I, then B 2 times, then R, then F, then F, then RI, then B 2 times again, then R 2 times again, and then UI. So let's follow this algorithm. If you don't have these matching layers, matching corners, so you need to follow this algorithm 2 times. As I got here, I'm going to put the matching corners backward. And if the matching corners are on the front, turn it around like this. So now I'll follow the algorithm. See, I'm going to solve it. Wait, I'm going to show you after I solve this one. We solved the whole cube. You can see white is done, orange is done, blue is done, red is done, green is done, and yellow is done. Hope you like solving Rubik's Cube. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Bye.